Hey scrappers, Tom here from the iScrap app, and today is Wednesday, March 26th, 2025. Sorry for the video, the way that we recorded this. We had some microphone problems as I was off site. I tried 3 different devices, but here we are. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. This way you can learn about the markets, what's going on, because it's been a heck of a ride. Let's just go right into copper prices. Copper prices have hit all-time record highs, and a few minutes ago when I checked, they were trading at $5.27 a pound. Now, you might think this is a good thing, but there is a problem that's going on right now, and that's that the London Metal Exchange and the US-based COMEX are largely off by about 30 cents trading, just showing the disparity in U.S. pricing because of the tariffs versus the world commodity pricing. Our supply and demand curves the last few weeks haven't gone up, yet in the last 30 days, I've seen copper prices go up by 15%. Now, the pricing at the scrapyard has not gone up by 15%, and that's because many of the scrapyards are having hard times getting some sales at these higher numbers because the different mills and brokers, they're not sure how long these numbers are going to last. So if I were you, I would be cashing my material in as quickly as it came in when it came to copper and brass. The levels are really strong. I think that they're going to be in a good place for a short while, if not for the balance of this year. Things I'm going to be looking for in the near term, the tariffs go into effect next week on steel and aluminum, and we're also still talking about copper tariffs. So if we do have copper tariffs that materialize, we are going to see some different trading numbers for a while, but you also sometimes see these things work themselves out much faster than you would imagine. And that's because other countries aren't looking to have huge trading problems, tariff barriers, and these are things that I would imagine are going to work themselves out. Now, when we look at the aluminum prices, which have continued to go up this year, sheet aluminum prices like 55, 60 cents a pound being reported. But when you're looking at these numbers, where are they going to go? Well, again, tariffs go into effect next week. I do expect these numbers to continue their upward market trend. As steel prices have come down slightly by a few dollars a ton, 10 to 20 bucks. Again, that was more of a quick run up in February leading into this quick release of some of the pricing. And again, tariffs, trade talk, just imbalances in the market that aren't normally there are some of the things that we're really looking at right now. Now, got to mention gold, all-time record high, hit over $3,050 per ounce. So all of you out there that are holding on to your gold, good for you. You made some money unless you're not selling and it goes down. But we have seen strong gold prices. But unfortunately, that has not led to strong market prices on platinum, on palladium. So the catalytic converter markets have continued to be in a little bit of the doldrums, just kind of status quo for the balance of this entire year. So 3 months in, we saw a couple market movements 2 weeks ago. We were a little optimistic and that fizzled itself out. So moving into the balance of this quarter, I don't expect anything crazy. Next few days, we're going to see some trading happening. Really, I'm looking to next week when the tariffs kick in. Hopefully when we do our live session then, we can really have a firm grasp of what's going on, share a little information. Hopefully that helps you. Sorry for the shorter video this week. Don't forget to ask us questions. We will get you those answers. We love having our YouTube members going on there. And if you are a member, you see our videos exclusively before other people get to ask for different videos for us to make. So continue to ask those questions, scrappers. My name is Tom from the iScrap app, and until next week.